Hi, this is David Lopez, and today I'm going to do a short review about the new Lenovo, or not so new Lenovo, mini wireless keyboard. I just got it and brought it home. This is the box for it. There's nothing really in the box, just packaging foam, a couple instruction books, and the unit, and it comes with the batteries as well, which uses AAA batteries. So here's the unit itself. As you can see, it's very small. Like, I don't have ginormous hands, but I just got regular average hands. So it's very small. The keyboard feels like a smartphone keyboard, just a larger version of it. And it has a trackball, so not only does it replace your keyboard, it replaces your mouse as well. With the trackball, the right and left buttons, as you can see, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of keys, and then shortcuts up here if you're watching movies. Can control the volume up and down. The keyboard feels really good. It feels just like you're texting when you're typing on it. So you can do one finger texting or two finger texting. It works very well. The little roller ball here works pretty good. I changed the sensitivity in the computer so it's not so sensitive. So it moves really, really well though. Um, it does feel like it's really loose, but when you're using it, it's actually quite nice. I'm sure you can't tell. You actually can see a little bit here of me moving uh, up and down, left to right. It moves really, really well. So I picked this one up at Memory Express for $53, and it was well worth it because this thing is really neat. You can control the computer set up to the TV as well as this little computer set up here in my living room. Um, so that's it for now. I recommend getting this keyboard from the short time I've been playing with it. I don't see any problems with it. Build quality is really good. It feels a little plasticky, but that makes it really light as well. So doesn't feel heavy in your hands. Has a nice grip to it. All the keys are here, and it's just like using a phone keyboard where you press function um, to use some of the other things like the at key on the number, or the and, or the dollar sign, or the pound sign, percentage sign, those kind of things. The space bar is really, really nice. It clicks on either side, or it double clicks in the middle. Arrow keys, the enter key. The only thing is the shift key is a little small, but overall it's really nice. And for the price, I mean, the Logitech one is almost $200. Yes, it has the Logitech one lights up, and it has a touchpad instead of a scroll wheel. But I mean, this is really good for the price. So, cheers, everybody. We'll talk to you later on another review.